Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to add a broker in TradingView. First, understand that TradingView integrates with many popular brokerage firms, allowing you to trade directly from their platform. You'll need to ensure your specific broker supports this integration before proceeding. This feature streamlines your trading experience by centralizing your analysis and execution, making your workflow much smoother and more efficient for daily trading activities. To connect your broker, open TradingView and look for the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. Click on it, and you'll see a list of supported brokers. Choose your broker from this selection. You'll then be prompted to log in using your existing brokerage account credentials. This process is secure and links your live trading account directly to the TradingView interface, giving you full control. Once connected, you can execute trades directly from any chart on TradingView. You'll see options to buy or sell, and your orders will be sent straight to your broker. The trading panel also allows you to monitor all your open positions, review your order history, and keep track of your account balance and overall portfolio performance. It's a comprehensive way to manage your trading activities without leaving the platform. If you encounter any issues, first verify your internet connection for stability, as a strong connection is crucial for trading. Also, make sure your TradingView application is always updated to the latest version to ensure compatibility and access to new features. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals. Keeping your trading setup optimized and your life organized can really make a difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.